Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half acre homestead with a tea break. I know, as hot as it is, I still have to have my hot tea. It's going to be a blistering weekend here in our area of Canada, this Canada Day weekend. Sunday is Canada Day. Yeah, Sunday's Canada Day. And we are actually going to visit Howie's nephew, Mikey. He's having a barbecue. And not that he's not my nephew too. I only say his nephew, Mikey, because I also have a nephew, Mikey. So to clarify, whenever I'm, talking about the Mikeys, there's a lot of them. I got two sister-in-laws named Karen. It's family. When you have a large family, names collide. So anyway, tomorrow, when you get this, I will be on the road to Cavan, Ontario in the motor coach with Papa and heading for a barbecue. And we're going to stay overnight and then we're just going to come home because we don't want to stay an extra day and end up in the day after Canada Day traffic. So, yeah, that should be fun. And the coach has air conditioning because, my pool came today. Yeah, it came all right on a pallet. And the installers are coming next week. Again, so far the hottest weekend of the year. But that's okay because the coach has air conditioning, right? I'm almost done hatching for the year. I counted how many turkeys I have today. I have 6. Yeah, I have 6 adults that are my breeding stock. And I have one that I'm raising up, another one I'm raising up for Christmas dinner. And then I have 3, and then 5, and then 13. So I think I got somewhere in the nature of 28 turkeys between the ages of day old to 2 years old. But I just took, so that's the last. My last hatch of turkeys was 13 chicks. And I have 1 incubator left running and it is got like 30 chicken eggs in it. And I don't know if I killed them or not because either my turkeys were hatching slow because that incubator was too low, or I've killed the chicken eggs because that incubator was too high. I'm having a heck of a time with thermometers this year. Heck of a time with thermometers. So, and so that's pretty much what we're looking at. I'm really, really looking forward to our pig roast. And by the way, don't look at my hair. And if you want a Don't Look at My Hair t-shirt, please email me at mrsvolfie@gmail.com because I can't run another campaign without a minimum of 5 orders. So if I need to know how many people want a shirt before I'll launch the campaign kind of thing. So yeah, Canada Day weekend, no swimming pool. Oh well, that's okay. Like I said, the coach is air conditioned. The pool's going up next week and it's got a heater. So when the fire department fills it, it won't take long to get it up to temperature. But if I know Papa, the polar plunge poobah, he'll go in it when the water's 40 degrees. He won't care. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half acre homestead saying, I hope everybody in Canada has a wonderful, happy, and safe celebratory Canada Day weekend. And for all my US friends, I hope your 4th of July is just as much fun. Take care. God bless.